Hi, this experiment is about vortex formation. I'm using the same system as before. I have a tank at the bottom with a pump that is moving water up into the upper reservoir where the vortexes will form. As you can see right now, there's a vortex trying to form in this upper reservoir. Vortexes will form when there's insufficient height from the liquid surface of the tank to the intake. So in this particular case, the intake will be the bottom of the tank here, where the fluid is entering into the discharge line. And the surface, of course, is the surface that we see here. If I change the surface, if I lower or raise that surface, we'll see definite vortex formations. I can lower and raise the fluid surface by acting on this valve here, which controls the flow out of the upper tank. So if I close the valve slightly, we'll get a rising of the liquid in the tank, and the vortexes disappear. If I open the valve, flow will increase and we'll get the appearance of vortexes. Now, one way to cure vortexes is to use a baffle. This knife can act as a baffle. If I put this baffle in the tank, we'll see the vortexes disappear. Vortex gone, vortex back, vortex gone, back. So the baffles stop the rapid rotation of the fluid particles on the surface and inhibit the formation of vortexes. They could be vertical or horizontal. It depends a lot on the particular conditions of the tank and its shape. So we'll run through one more cycle of this. I'm going to allow the level to go down and see how big a vortex we can get. There we go. We're starting to have a significant vortex. And of course the flow is going to drop even more because there's now more air entering into the pump, and we'll get more and more air and less flow. Now if I allow the level to rise, the vortex will gradually disappear. At a certain point, the level will be high enough that vortexes cannot form. So no vortexes. Bring the level down. We'll see appearance of vortexes. And there we have it. Vortex formation. So that's it. Be sure and take care of the tank level height so that you can avoid vortex formation.